A Baby Elephant is based on a tune from a much longer piece of music by Saint-Saëns. The piece of music is called Carnival of the Animals, and the double bass is used to represent the elephant. And it's a waltz, so it's in 3/time, and it needs a heavy first beat. It starts, and we need to just look at a few things in that first bar. First of all, we start on the A string, and we need to move to the D string in a smooth slur. And you're going to do that using your elbow. There's my A string, elbow height, and there's my D string, elbow height. So I bring my elbow up and the bow moves from the D string, from the A string to the D string.